Oh, we got a campsite here. Another one. Like kindling. Maybe it's a homeless camp. Oh, Gizmos, buddy. We just had a bath last night, dude. Oh. This is awesome. Alright, so I think the main park trail still is up there. Not this, but up there behind that tree line. And what goes across there? Hey, my dude. I think that's the third little fire pit I've come across. Some weird pile of rocks there. I don't know, maybe dead body. Who knows? And what are we on? Fourth? I think that's the fourth burn pit. Ooh, I see a trail. Go up the trail, boys. Wait, what goes down there? Well, let's go see over here, and then we'll go up the trail. And hope that's not poison ivy. Okay, so it looks like there's a fork. Like the big water goes that way, and then the little water goes down there. Alright, boys, let's see what this trail leads to. Tape measure. Oh, fifth one. Yo. Okay, so that goes back to the main park trail. That probably does too in a roundabout way. My bud, you're filthy. Alright, so maybe I'm wrong and I'm all turned around, but if I look across this creek, river, creek, what's the difference between a river and a creek, y'all? I don't know. That looks to me, but y'all can't see, there's a few cars in the background. That's the highway. And I think, that's either the gas station or the rest area, which means we have walked a whole lot farther than I thought. Well, that area is a whole lot closer than I thought. Huh! Good boys! Okay, can 100% confirm that is the rest area. Because I see people and they be resting. And picnic tables, parking. Yeah, that's the rest area. Dang, that's cool. We are so close. It's like they're getting ready for the Cherokee County Fair. They're setting it up back here. That's awesome. The ride's going up. Wow. See, I didn't even know none of this was back here. I've been going to that park and the skate park. The skate park is just on the other side of that tree line. Sorry for the wind noise, y'all. It is windy. And all this was back here. I've been living here this whole time, skating the skate park this whole time. Not a flipping clue until I looked on my maps. I was looking for somewhere to go hiking with the dogs, and I saw this whole ass area back here, and I'm just like, no kidding, there's this whole ass area, we better check it out. So we're checking it out, and looky here. But yeah, back behind the skate park there's a soccer field, and this big old open field for, I guess, disc golf. Yeah. Check this out. Check out that view behind it, man. Imagine, ooh, I wonder if they're going to have a Ferris wheel and we can ride it. We can go up high and see the mountains from up high. That would be awesome. Heck yeah. Maybe go to that this weekend before work. I think it opens at 11, so I might get an hour in or so.